Welcome back everyone. I hope you liked today's video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. Today's video picks up right where the last video left off. I'm still working on the pieces that will be the roof of the stern galleries. Two of them were already made. The side one, needs just the angle to be cut, and I need to shape the round part of it, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using the piece that goes under the roof to set the angle for the grinder, so that I know that I'm cutting exactly on the same angle. With one side completed, now I'm moving to the other side. The stern piece needs to be cut. I ended up cutting this on the wrong angle, but there's not a problem. It will be filled with filler. Once again, as I said before, this all will be covered with the shingles, so there is no real issue with using filler or anything. Now I'm already halfway through the process of shaping the final piece on this side. Now with the roof done, I marked where it goes, and now I can plank around the markings that I have. I know exactly where the stern galleries will sit, and I can plank around it. As usual, I'm cutting the gun ports before I completely cover them so that I don't have to go look for them. With all the planking done, I now put the whales. This is 3 by 2 millimeters, and it's put on top of the thinner ones that I put when I started planking the hull. With the planking done, the stern piece can now be made flush. Now I have the roof and the base for the roof already in place, not glued, just mocked up, and I'm using the position to glue a support underneath. This support acts as a support. It will be better to glue everything when the time comes to glue, but also as a bit of a margin when I have to open the hole that will come, because the light from the captain's quarters deck will have to shine through the windows of the stern galleries, so there will be a hole, and to make sure I don't go above that support. I keep a bit away off the roof to make sure that I don't affect where the roof needs to be glued. And only a bit of the stern piece left to be cut to make it flush with the side. And this is it for today's video. I'll end it a bit shorter before starting to plank the other side. I hope you all have enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. I hope to catch you all on the next one.